How to save favorite EV charging points on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's find and select the settings button. Then from the list of settings you need to swipe to the left until you see the EV. And then from the following list you can tap favorite charging locations. So this menu lets you manually organize your most used or favorite charging hubs, such as your charger at home, work or preferred public station. Grouping them here lets you monitor the real-time availability and quickly navigate to them with a single tap. As you can see, I don't have any, but I can tap add new, and for example, let me find some EV station by using point of interest, electric vehicle station. Let's search for some, and let me, for example, add this one. Tap OK. And as you can see right now, I've got one saved charging station. I can edit this, move location, delete, and do other stuff, as you can see right here. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.